Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. We need a red foaming sheet and draw the bow shape on the foaming sheet. Now cut it. We need an artificial leaf to make a small trees look like this. We need a ribbon to make a bow, hairpin and band. Now all the parts of the bows are attached with the glue gun. Attach the leaf at the center of the bow. Now make a small bow and attach it at the center of the bow. Add some beads on it. Now our tree bow is ready. Attach the pin with the glue gun at the back side of the bow and also attach a band with the bow. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like my ideas. Bye bye.